Something is eating my cannas. This is the first year something is eating my leaves. It starts with the new leaves totally destroying my inner plant and flowers. What is it? And this is Francis. Hi, Joellen.
Yeah.
We've seen that, haven't we?
We've seen that.
Haven't we talked about that before, maybe?
We actually have a clip on it that you could probably find online. It's leaf rollers. And it's a caterpillar.
Right.
Very easy to control with BT.
Right.
Bacillus thuringiensis, and just spray it on there. They'll eat it. The caterpillar ingests that bacteria, and it disrupts them, and they're no longer a problem.
Yeah, those things could do a number on cannas. They roll those leaves up pretty tight.
Yeah, they really do.
Silk, thread. It's pretty tight. All right. So it's nothing to be that concerned about.
Well, no, but just when you start seeing it, just control the caterpillar. And you might, just keep a watch on it then after that to make sure there's no others starting to do that to your cannas. Okay. Just keep an eye out on it.
Keep an eye on it.
BT is easy to apply and a real nice, friendly
a
insecticide for
occurring organism.
So that's for
gives
sure.
that caterpillar a stomach ache that it doesn't recover from.
Yes, that's right.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.